everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing my original Boxycharm box. It was delayed this month, and it looks like it was taped shut 3 different times. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, if it'll focus enough for you to see that, but there are 2 circle tape pieces of tape, and then there is 1 rectangular piece of tape, and I'm having a hard time with my lighting letting you see that, but there's 2 circles and 1 rectangular piece of tape. I don't know exactly why my box was taped shut 3 different times. I don't know. Anyway, before we get started, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimities.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet and you would like to, please hit subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. And if you have any comments while you're watching it, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below. So I did sneak a peek in my box, and I have seen a couple of Boxycharm unboxings, and mine is different. Not that it's better or worse, it's just different. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into my box. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. And like I said, it's just, I have some different stuff. All right, so it does have a card in it this month. It does say that it says sunshine down there in the corner, so I'm pretty sure that that is the theme for this month. Yes, hashtag Boxy Sunshine for a chance to be featured if you post it on Instagram or Snapchat or YouTube. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the box. This box is $25 a month, I think. I do an annual subscription, so I just pay for it for the whole year. So I get a little bit of a discount. I think it's like 1 month off. 1 month free. I think you pay for 11 if you pay for it all at once. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the products. So first off, I'm going to pull this out right here. This is the quick color switch from Lavish. I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to assume the inside is similar to my color switch. Let me grab it real quick. I have one from Sephora. Like I said, I'm not going to open this. This is going to go in my giveaway drawer. One of you all is going to get that, but literally it's just this stuff on the inside, and you use it to clean brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and read to you what it says, but like I said, this is from Lavish. It's the Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. With this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. And yeah, exactly, like when I wash this, I pretty much just pull the stuff out, and there's not too much powder in there right now. I wash this with some brush cleaner, and then I just rinse out the tin and let this dry before I put it back in. But it's super easy to clean, and you know, I like it. But this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. One of you all are going to get this because I already have this one, and then I actually have a second one. I had picked up the Ulta Beauty one. This one is a square. It's got the same stuff, but it has a little centerpiece here that you can put like water in or cleaner in to get a little bit more clean, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. Small white sponge can be dampened to remove cream or wet shadows and liners. There you go. So I do already have 2. I don't need a third. This is going to come to one of you guys. All right, moving on. Let's pull this out right here, which I'm going to drop. This is from 111 Skin. This is the NAC Y2. I don't know. Pollution Defense Booster. That is what the packaging looks like. And, you know, we keep getting 111 Skin stuff in Boxycharm, and they keep saying that the prices are super high. For example, the MSRP on this is $135, and I don't know. I don't know if that is the actual commercial price for this, because that seems really high. Like, really high. Anyway, this says, it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. And like I said, I just have a hard time believing that this is actually $135. And look, that's like, it's 0.68 fluid ounces. So is this, I don't know. Is that the actual price? This stuff is super, like all the 111 Skin stuff they're showing is like super expensive. I don't know. I don't know. All right. let's keep going. The next item in here is this right here, which I'm actually excited to give a try. This is from the Cream Shop. It's the Toasty Cushion Bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. It's one for fair skin tones, which is good because last month they sent me a product that was for medium skin tones. So, okay. I'm going to assume that it's sealed. All right, well, it was sealed. When I opened it up, it came open. So, all right, I'm going to leave that in place. Hopefully it won't get dried out too fast. But this is the Cream Shop. It does have a mirror in it, and it's got a little sponge, which is kind of cool. So, this says it is the Toasty Cushion Bronzer. This cushion bronzer slash shading cream turns up the heat to create a warm, sultry glow. The ideal product to create the perfect contour. All right. There you go. Shade one. I already have my makeup on for today. I usually do this video as a try on, but there's makeup in here, but we'll talk about that in a second. Anyway, this I'm definitely interested in giving a try and excited to have that. This next item I'm actually really excited to get. This is from Hourglass. I like Hourglass products. This is the Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and it says it's in the shade Warm Blonde. So I don't know if it's the right shade for me. I'm hoping it is the right shade. It does have a spoolie on one side. And oh, it's kind of like oblong shaped. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that or not. Probably not, but it's oblong instead of round. All right, that'll work on my brows. All right, I'm excited to give that a try. This is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. An ultra-precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade-worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. The MSRP on that is $28. The Cream Shop MSRP was $20. The color switch was $17. And I already told you the defense booster was $135. All right, the last item in here, which is honestly the reason why I decided not to do a try-on style. This is the Pure Festival 2.0 palette, and I think I'm just going to give this away. I'm really, really leaning towards giving this away. I'm not even going to open it to show you what it looks like, except that I will show you the back. That is what the colors look like on the inside of the palette. I mean, it is just a picture, so it's not fully showing you, but I got the Pure Festival 1 palette. I was not impressed. I got other Pure palettes. I have not been impressed. In fact, I've only ever really liked one Pure palette. So I'm hesitant to even open this and touch it because I don't want to touch it, and then you guys might actually really love this. I know that some people love Pure. I think, didn't Raw Beauty Christie just come out with a Pure collab? I think it's Pure. I think it's Pure. Anyway, I've not had a lot of luck with Pure palettes. So let's go ahead and read what the card says. It's the Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades, and the MSRP is $36. So actually, I wasn't going to open it. I am going to go ahead and pull it open just to make sure that it's not cracked or anything. Especially if I'm giving something away to one of you all, I would prefer to make sure that it doesn't have anything broken. And it looks like it's not broken. And one of the other reasons is because I was watching another YouTuber. It was Just Ann. She didn't get this palette. She got some other palette. And her palette looked like it was swatched. So, it's pretty. It smells really nice, actually. It smells really good. It smells really good. And it's pretty. It's very, very pretty. But I just haven't had very much luck with Pure palettes. So I'm going to give it to one of you all. Hopefully you will get a lot of good use out of it. So I'll go ahead and put this back away. And there is one Pure palette that I absolutely love. I can't remember the name of it right now, but I got it in Boxycharm. It was the first Pure palette I got in Boxycharm, and I absolutely love it. And I've had it for like 2 years and I still use it and I still like it. I've traveled with it and it's fantastic. So yeah. Anyway, that is the Pure palette. So recapping my box, the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2 palette, the Color Switch, both of those are going to come to one of you guys very soon. The Pollution Defense Booster, which, you know, you're supposed to add it into your moisturizer. The Hourglass Pencil, which I'm probably the most excited about. And then the Cream Shop bronzer, bronzer, which I'm excited to give that a try too. So that is my Boxycharm base box for July 2020. I'm not disappointed in it. Like I said, it's $25 a box. The brow product alone is $28. And even if I'd buy it when it was on sale, like a 20% off Sephora sale or something like that, it would still be like $23. So that alone to me is worth the price of the box. So I'm not upset with that. I'm not upset with it. Could it be better? Sure, of course it could. You know, it could have, you know, I don't know, a full-size Natasha Denona palette. But for what it is actually pretty good. So I'm pleased with it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Anyway, that is going to be it for my Boxycharm base box this month. If you like this video, I do appreciate a thumbs up down below. If you have not and you would like to, I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. About 60% of my viewers don't subscribe. So what are you doing? No more waiting. Go ahead and hit it. Costs you nothing. It's free and it's great, if I do say so myself. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Any comments are appreciated down below, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.